The Ellipse was buzzing, a sea of people, signs held high, chants filled the air. This was no ordinary rally, this was a movement. Vice President Kamala Harris was about to speak. Hope and anticipation hung heavy in the air. The energy was palpable. This was a stark contrast to the darkness many felt just 4 years ago. The memory of January 6th still lingered. But today there was a sense of healing. Today, unity was the theme. Today, America was ready to listen. Vice President Harris took the stage. The crowd erupted. She spoke of unity. She spoke of inclusivity. She spoke of an America for all. This was a direct rebuke of the previous administration. Gone were the days of division and hate. Harris promised affordable healthcare. She promised action on climate change. She promised to protect women's rights. These were promises the previous administration had broken. These were promises the American people longed to hear. This was a vision of hope. This was a vision of progress. This was a vision of an America that worked for everyone, not just a select few. This was the America Kamala Harris believed in. The numbers were staggering. Over 75,000 people had gathered at the Ellipse. This was a record-breaking turnout. Even more impressive, it dwarfed the attendance at Trump's January 6th rally. This was a clear message. America was ready for change. The crowd was diverse, young and old, black, white and brown, all genders, all walks of life. This was the America Kamala Harris represented. This was the America Trump had tried to divide. The energy was electric. The crowd cheered every word. They believed in Kamala Harris. They believed in her vision. They believed in a better America. Section 4. From Prosecutor to President. A Journey of Service. Kamala Harris's life was one of service. She was a daughter of immigrants. She was a woman of color. She was a prosecutor who fought for justice. She was a senator who fought for her constituents. Now she was fighting for all Americans. Her background had shaped her. She understood the struggles of everyday Americans. She had dedicated her life to fighting for those who couldn't fight for themselves. Her experience was her strength. Her message resonated with the crowd. They saw in her a leader who understood their struggles. They saw in her a leader who would fight for them. They saw in her a leader who would bring America together. Section 5, the final countdown. Harris's message resonates. The election was just 1 week away. The stakes were high. The future of America hung in the balance. Kamala Harris's message was clear. Choose unity, choose hope, choose progress. Her rally at the Ellipse was a turning point. It energized her base. It inspired undecided voters. It showed the world that America was ready for a new direction. The final week would be crucial. The fight would be tough. But Kamala Harris was ready. She was ready to lead America into a brighter future.